Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, we have another crazy awesome glitch going on right now at the Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications and make sure that you set them to all. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video because, man, these deals are absolutely crazy today. Now, first up, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded 2 other videos talking about these P&G spin deals, and they are very important to watch. There's a lot of really important details that you guys need to know about before you go out and try these spin deals. So make sure that you guys go back and watch those videos. Even if you watch them one time, you might have missed a couple of details. I know that I'm seeing a lot of questions that have already been answered in those videos. So do not skip through. Watch the videos all the way through and have those listening ears turned on, all right? So those are going to be linked for you in the pinned comment. I also want to remind everybody really quickly, we still have the DG clearance event going on, and that isn't going to end until Monday, September the 4th. Now, I have uploaded 3, I think maybe 4 videos full of visuals and coupon matchups, so make sure that you go and check out those videos as well. A lot of those items are P&G items and can be included in with our spin deals today. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First of all, we're going to talk about this $20 off of a $20.01 purchase. You must make 3 qualifying purchases of $25 or more to get the $20 coupon back. And I am assuming that this is going to show up as a digital coupon. It is not going to print on the bottom of your receipt. It's probably going to be a digital coupon, so be on the lookout for those. And just in case you missed the last video, this is tracking with our 5 off $25 scenario. So if you go and do a 5 off 25 today or a 10 off 40 today, both of those deals should track even though we are not spending $25 out of pocket. So in a sense, this 20 off of a 2001 purchase is glitching as well. All right, now another thing that I want to clear up is that with these spin deals, we are not getting anything to print off on the bottom of our receipts, all right? So if we read the coupon, it says spend $40 on P&G products, save $10 on your next purchase, okay? So you do the spend 40 deal, and then you might have to log out of your account and log back in, but a $10 digital coupon will show up on your account, and it is going to say save $10 off of your next purchase of 1001 or more. So these are 2 digital coupons. We don't have anything printing on the bottom of our receipts today except for the 5 off 25 for next Saturday. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about some glitches. So first of all, I explained it earlier today that we have the P&G spend coupons, and then we also have our 5 off 25 DG store coupons, and we have our 10 off 40 DG store coupons. Both of those are stacking and working together. We are coming out with some amazing deals. So I already shared one deal with you guys earlier today. Here is another transaction that I put together with the Tide Pods, the Liquid, the Febreze sprays, the Dawn Power Wash, Always liners, Vicks cough drops, Crest toothpaste, and the Secret dry spray, the lavender scent. It is a part of the clearance event. So those are $3.15 right now, and we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. So that put my subtotal at $41.85. I had the cashier ring up all of my items. We scanned a 10 off 40 paper coupon because I also had that 5 off 25 digital clipped to my account, and I did not want that to come off first. So I grabbed a paper 10 off 40, had her scan that, put in my number. All of the coupons came off perfectly. I ended up paying $7.04 out of pocket. So that's a great deal all by itself. But again, that P&G spin coupon is stacking and working with our DG store coupons. So I received back a $10 coupon. Again, that is a digital coupon. It's going to show up under your clipped coupons on your saved deals in your app. So I got $10 back. That made this transaction completely free, plus a $2.96 moneymaker. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at my receipt. If you guys will notice that under the majority of the items, there are 3 store discounts showing up. The first one is the 10 off 40. The second one is the P&G spend coupon, and as y'all can see, those are showing 0, 0, 0, so it's not taking anything off, but it is tracking for that promotion. So it's basically showing that I will be getting that $10 coupon back. Now the third store discount is going to be for the promotion on the $20 coupon. So make 3 purchases of $25 or more, and you're going to get back a $20 digital coupon, all right? So everything's tracking, everything's stacking, everything's glitching, and working out beautifully. So once I have my $10 coupon, it shows up on my account. Again, you may have to log off and log back in. I did make a post in the community tab with some helpful information on how to get your DG app to work correctly. So check that out. But anyways, log out, log back in. The $10 coupon was there. So I go back into the store and I'm thinking, what else can we do? Because this is absolutely amazing. Well, I decided to do a gain deal on the same exact account because I still haven't used my 5 off 30 gain and I still haven't used my 5 off 25 on that account. So I went in and I picked up one of the gain flings for $7.50. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. I also picked up the gain cent beads for $7.50. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. And then I also picked up the large gain flings for $15.95. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. All right, guys, now listen up. This is very, very important. This will make or break your deal. With Dollar General, we know that things can be finicky, so we have to pay attention to things like the order in which we ring up our items. Now, like I told you guys earlier in the week, and I explained it a lot better in that video, I believe I posted it on Wednesday, you want to make sure that your last item that you are ringing up is your most expensive item. That way, that full $10 coupon will apply. And if you don't understand, again, go back and watch that video from Wednesday. Now, if you have a 3, a 5, or an $8 coupon instead, the same rules apply, okay? Ring that most expensive item up last. Now, as for the other 2 items in this transaction, you want to ring up the flings first because we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon that is attaching to those. And then you want to ring up your beads second because we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon and that is specifically for the cent beads. Now the 2 off 1 also attaches. So if you guys want to go in and do the exact same deal that I did, ring up your flings first for $7.50, ring up the beads second for $7.50, and then the flings for $15.95. Then all of the coupons should come off. Your 5 off 30 gain, your 5 off 25, 2 off 1 manufacturer, 3 off 1 manufacturer, and 3 off 1 manufacturer, and that $10 P&G coupon, all right? So that's going to leave you paying $2.94 out of pocket. Now, if your subtotal shows up and it is $5 more, so if it is $7.94 plus tax, make sure that you scan a paper 5 off $25 coupon. It will not mess up the transaction, but that's probably the issue, and hopefully that $5 will apply. Now, again, I didn't have any issues. All I had to do was type in my number and everything came off perfectly. Here's a look at my receipt, and as you guys can see, we have those same 3 store discounts. So one of those is obviously the 5 off 30 gain. One of them is the 5 off 25. And the third one that says store discount and it says 000 beside it, that means that it is tracking for that $20 coupon, all right? So for this transaction, I ended up paying $2.94 for over $30 worth of gain products. All right, guys, so there you have it. Another coupon, another glitch, and another great low out-of-pocket deal. And so far today, everything has worked out pretty much free for me. Here's a look at my transaction from earlier today. And I'm not going to keep you all much longer, but before you go, don't forget that your girl has been doing some major investigating this week in trial and error transactions. So that way we could figure this whole thing out. And it looks like all of that hard work paid off. So before you go, please don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.